What's the story? You wanna tell a story?
Yes.
Okay.
The story is called The Little Hummingbird.
Okay.
So little hummingbird. So in the great forest, there lots of animals lived in there. So but one day there was a great fire approached it. The hummingbird, all the animals ran and did not help, except the little hummingbird. He went out, get some water, and poured it onto the fire. Everyone was so scared that the hummingbird might get on fire. The bear said, "He is too small to go out there and save the day." The owl said, "Your ring is too small." But the little hummingbird kept on doing it. Kept on doing it. And the end. What he was talking about.
So the little hummingbird was very brave?
Yeah.
One of the brave bird?
Yeah.
So that's the story of what's the story you name you're gonna tell?
It was the little hummingbird.
So now tell me what you feel about today.
I feel great.
Why?
Because it's the sunshine.
Okay. And pretty warm, so you can stay outside
For a little while.
for a little while
Yeah.
and hanging out with me because I am also working from home. Literally I'm not working. I'm just hanging in a stay. Do you have any story or something that you wanna say?
No.
No story?
Yeah, well, you want to see what you feel about the day?
How the days is going so far? How the day you were
Great.
feeling go far?
Feeling great?
Feeling great,
Yeah.
having fun outside,
Or not great?
working hard.
Not that great?
Is it great or not that great? Great? Anything else you want to talk about today? How is your homework? How is your study going on?
You don't have homework. He only
Yeah.
has Kun.
Okay, so say bye-bye then.
Bye-bye.
And then stay home and stay
Healthy.
healthy, stay safe from
Corona.
Corona. Okay.